No, dude, just hanging out. You want to go get like lunch? Nah, dude, it's fine. I just ran into a door. Here you go. Girl. Girl. Shit. Oh, what's up, dude? You you just drinking straight margarita mix, man? Oh, shit. This margarita mix? I thought this was green tea. I wonder it tasted funny. Huh. Green tea for sure. Probably because you had blindfold on, man. But you been watching Bird Box today, right? Dude, yeah, I might have watched Bird Box like 3 more times before I put the blindfold on. Whatever, that's irrelevant, dude. You know, dude, you can like spend your day however you want, but like you don't need to like wear a blindfold all day. You know, there's no like creepy wind thing that's like chasing you. You know, I'm not taking the blindfold off, bro. You're probably like one of those dudes that's like hold my eyes open and be like, look at it, it's so beautiful, and I'll be like, but it, like, I can't really jump out of the window. We're on like the ground floor, but you know, like I would do like something crazy, and then you know you just like walk away because you're a psycho. Weird thing with the eyes. What are you even talking about, man? You're Dude, do whatever you want. Just, have fun running into walls.